I'm used to seeing wild horses in this area of the head of Sinbad, but today there's some pronghorn on my way towards Train Robbers Mesa. Today's October 28th, 2020, and I was reminded on yesterday's trip and today's trip as well how impossible problems can seem from a distance. But when we take the time to get up and be able to have a closer look at those same problems, it turns out there is a way through. And that's what I've learned today. Again, on Train Robbers Mesa, and yesterday on the San Rafael Knob. Yeah, nice sense of accomplishment here atop Train Robbers Mesa with a nice view of many of the other places I've enjoyed over the years here in the San Rafael Swell.